Hello everyone! Today, we're going to have fun with the alphabet. Are you ready?
This is the letter A. A is for apple. Apple starts with the letter A. Apple. Can you say a? This is the letter B. B is for broccoli. Broccoli starts with the letter B. Broccoli. Can you say B? This is the letter C. C is for cake. Cake starts with the letter C. Cake. Can you say C? This is the letter D. D is for donut. Donut starts with the letter D. Donut. Can you say D? This is the letter E. E is for egg. Egg starts with the letter E. Egg. Can you say E? This is the letter F. F is for French fries. French fries starts with the letter F. French fries. Can you say F? This is the letter G. G is for grapes. Grape starts with the letter G. Grapes. Can you say G? This is the letter H. H is for hamburger. Hamburger starts with the letter H. Hamburger. Can you say H? This is the letter I. I is for ice cream. Ice cream starts with the letter I. Ice cream. Can you say I? This is the letter J. J is for jelly. Jelly starts with the letter J. Jelly. Can you say J? This is the letter K. K is for ketchup. Ketchup starts with the letter K. Ketchup. Can you say K? This is the letter L. L is for lime. Lime starts with the letter L. Lime. Can you say L? This is the letter M. M is for milk. Milk starts with the letter M. Milk. Can you say M? This is the letter N. N is for nuggets. Nuggets start with the letter N. Nuggets. Can you say N? This is the letter O. O is for orange. Orange starts with the letter O. Orange. Can you say O? This is the letter P. P is for pizza. Pizza starts with the letter P. Pizza. Can you say P? This is the letter Q. Q is for quesadilla. Quesadilla starts with the letter Q. Quesadilla. Can you say Q? This is the letter R. R is for radish. Radish starts with the letter R. Radish. Can you say R? This is the letter S. S is for steak. Steak starts with the letter S. Steak. Can you say S? This is the letter T. T is for taco. Taco starts with the letter T. Taco. Can you say T? This is the letter U. U is for udon noodles. Udon noodles start with the letter U. Udon noodles. Can you say U? This is the letter V. V is for vegetables. Vegetables start with the letter V. Vegetables. Can you say V? This is the letter W. W is for watermelon. Watermelon starts with the letter W. Watermelon. Can you say W? This is the letter X. X is for Ximenia. Ximenia starts with the letter X. Ximenia. Can you say X? This is the letter Y. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt starts with the letter Y. Yogurt. Can you say Y? This is the letter Z. Z is for zucchini. Zucchini starts with the letter Z. Zucchini. Can you say D?